Today, I'm going to be showing you 3 AI websites you can use to generate images for free. Yes, for free. So for the first website, we're going to be using PicLumin AI. The first website is PicLumin AI. So come to your Google, search for PicLumin AI. This is it. This is the logo. Just tap on that and then let's see how we'll go about it, okay? So, okay, this is it. Tap on generate for free. Generate for free is going to bring you to where you have to sign up with your Google account, okay? So you can sign up with your email or you just tap on Google and then you sign up with your, sign into piclumin.com with google.com. So sign up with that and then once you are signed in, it will bring you here. I'm going to claim the rewards there. Then you see explore, create, gallery, personal down there. So I'm just going to tap on create so that here is going to show us how we are going to start afresh. Okay. So this is how it looks like. All right. So this is where you are going to fix in your prompts. Okay. But now I want it, we have to do the size 9 by 16, 16 by 9. I'll keep it as 16 by 9. You can change the images per batch to 2 or to 1. Currently is on 1. Once I've fixed in my prompt, I'm going to generate and let's see what it's going to give us. Okay. So it's currently generating. What I love about this is that it's fast. It doesn't take time to generate, and this is free. It has generated for us. This is really lovely, right? So this is a 3D Pixar style image of a Black American young woman in her late 20s sitting in a podcast setting. So now I want to change the images to 2. That's images per batch to 2. So let's try it out and see. So it's of course going to give us 2 images as say it loading. So these are the 2 images it gave us. So this is it for PicLumin AI. You download your image and you can use it. So the next AI website we're going to be using is called ImageFX. Okay, ImageFX already up for us. Google have brought it up for us. ImageFX. So just tap on that. You can see ImageFX Labs Google FX. So that's the first one. Tap on it and then it's going to bring us here. Here they'll tell us to sign in with Google just like the way they did for the first website. You are going to sign in with your Google. Once you've done that, it will bring you here. Okay, it will bring you here. Now down here you will see input, you will see setting. Okay, so that setting is for you to just set the picture to the way you want it to be. Yeah, I'm also going to be using a landscape that's 16 by 9. I'm just going to tap on that and then we'll move back to the input so that we can input our prompt. Okay, so now this is where we are going to be fixing in our prompts. Okay, so this is me. I'm just going to fix in that same prompt I used for the first one. Okay, and see what it's going to give us. All right, so this is what it generated for us, a 3D Pixar style image. So this is what it generated for us. Okay, and I think this is really lovely. ImageFX really did a really nice job in the 3D Pixar style. Okay, this really looks like a 3D Pixar style and I really love it, right? So this is it. Once you are done, you can just download what you want. So now the next one we're going to be using is TryWix. You can see TryWix up there. Once you've downloaded the image, you can see TryWix up there. Either you tap on that TryWix up there or you tap where there's image FX and you'll be able to, once you tap on the image FX, you see Wix there. Just tap on Wix. Either you tap on the TryWix or you go there and tap on Wix. It will bring you here. All right. So Wix is also another website that you can use to generate image. All right. So we've done 2. This is a third one. All right. And so it will bring us here. Just tap on the tool and it will bring us here. Here you are going to input the prompt you want for your to generate your image. Okay, so make sure I'm going to make it to be on 16 by 9. All right, 16 by 9. Once on 16 by 9, I'm just going to load it and then it is generated and it is loading. So this is what it generated for us. I'm going to be tapping on one of these to see it. Wow, this is really lovely. I feel like this is the best for me. The one that really gave me the 3D pixel style image. This is it for me. I don't know about you. Which of the, the three AI website I use, which of them really give us a 3D pixel style? Which do you prefer, and which one are you going to be using from now henceforth? Okay, so let me know in the comment section, all right, which of the AI websites you're going to be trying out and which of them do you prefer. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, see you in the next video.